Segmentation studies are some of the most important studies that companies do, and most smart companies do segmentations, but they're also really easy to mess up. I think one thing that really differentiates the modelers is how often we're asked to come in, jump in, and rescue a segmentation study. We've seen a lot of segmentation disasters. A typical segmentation disaster that we jumped in on was a study that had been conducted by a West Coast research firm and down for a cookie company that was looking to do a segmentation for better targeting in South America. And when they had collected the data, they brought it back, did the analysis, had come up with segments, but the segments just didn't make any sense to management. One of the segments, for example, was primarily female, and these are people who were buying lots of really inexpensive cookies and also some really expensive premium cookies. Well, when we jumped in, we found that they had not used all of the data that probably should have been used in the segmentation. We looked at some occasion data, we looked at some emotional data, we brought those other pieces of information into the segments, and what we found is that we could suddenly start to make sense of some of the segments. We reran solutions, came up with some excellent solutions that really resonated with the client. Part of it, of course, was that when we brought in the occasions, we suddenly found, for example, that a mom would buy cookies for the cookie jar for the kids, and then when the kids went to bed, she'd pull out her ultra premiums to reward herself for a nice long day.